This video is about processing credit cards within routeman. If you're using a credit card processor outside of routeman, you can keep track of your credit card payments using the new payment feature and filling it out, choosing credit card and entering the information, but you won't actually be processing the credit card within routeman. You'll just be balancing out your accounts receivable. If you would like to actually process the credit card, you need an account set up with one of our approved credit card processor companies. Then you will have the process credit card button lighting up over here. Select that and it opens a box that asks for the credit card information. You can set up to charge a fee associated with this, and that will be a separate topic. If you don't have a stored card for this customer yet, this box will not appear and you will just enter in the information as applicable. It's important that you choose a friendly card name if they want to be able to use this card in the future, and that's what will end up retaining this information right here. You can see that my card name is Target for this particular test customer, but it retains the information so that you can use this credit card in the future without retaining the entire credit card. In this case, I will enter in an amount. Let's pretend that this customer was just paying off this $33.58 right here. Okay, you can see that because I've set up to charge a fee, it would automatically add that on. I'm going to uncheck that, so I'm only processing $33.58 to match this amount right here. I will process stored credit card and I get the code that it's been approved. Okay, at that point, it's just like entering any other payment. I've got the information stored up here with the total amount right here available, and then I'm going through and allocating as needed wherever it makes sense, and the amount comes off, and when I hit OK and return, it has processed the credit card for $33.58, and if I go back to the invoice, it applied it to this one down here. Okay, you can also, if needed, you can select that, right click, and it will record which invoice that it goes with. If you were to click on the show details button down here, it will list that as well. If for some reason you need to void the payment, maybe you realized you made a mistake when you were entering the payment, you can come up and void the credit card charge if it's still displaying as this. But once the credit card is charged, you will actually see a different button appear. Let me pick one in the past. Okay, if we were to come in down here and hit edit payment, you'll actually see refund credit card is the button that shows up, and that's because the card has already been charged. You can't void that payment that's been processed already, but you can refund the credit card. And that's about it. If you need any other help learning to process your credit cards, just call the KCS office. We'll be happy to help.